Welcome to Money Moves. Your credit score is like your financial GPA. It affects what apartment you can rent, what interest rate you get on a car, whether you're approved for a mortgage, even whether you get hired for certain jobs. And here's the crazy part. You might have errors on your credit report right now that are costing you money, and you don't even know it. Today, we're covering the credit score check money move, and this could literally save you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. This is Amanda. She's 32, has a steady job, pays her bills on time, and considers herself financially responsible. She's never missed a payment on anything. She's ready to buy her first home. She fills out a mortgage pre-approval application, confident she'll get a great rate. 2 days later, she gets a call from the lender. There's a problem with her credit. Her credit score is 640. For the best mortgage rates, she needs 700 or higher. Instead of qualifying for 6.5% interest, she's looking at 7.5%. She's shocked. She's never been late on anything. She immediately starts researching. She Googles how to check credit report and gets flooded with ads for services that charge $30 a month. She's about to sign up when she remembers her friend mentioning something about free credit reports. She calls her friend who tells her about annualcreditreport.com, the only site authorized by federal law to provide free credit reports. She pulls reports from all three bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. She starts reviewing. Most of it looks right. Her student loans, car payment, credit cards, all there. But then she sees something strange, a Macy's credit card with a $3,200 balance and 4 late payments. She doesn't have a Macy's card. Never has. She keeps reading. A cell phone account from a state she's never lived in. A medical bill she paid 2 years ago still showing as unpaid. These errors weren't just annoying. They were costing her 50 points on her credit score. Without them, she'd be at 690, very close to that 700 threshold. Here's what most people don't know. Credit report errors are incredibly common. The FTC found that 1 in 5 consumers has an error on their credit report. 1 in 5. And these aren't just typos. These are errors that lower your score, cost you money and higher interest rates, and can even get you denied for credit you should qualify for. But here's the good news. Fixing them is free, it's straightforward, and it can happen faster than you think. Amanda printed all 3 credit reports and highlighted every error. Then she followed the dispute process. For each error, she filed a formal dispute. The credit bureaus are required by law to investigate within 30 days. She submitted everything online through each bureau's dispute center. For the Macy's card, it turned out to be identity theft from 3 years ago. The bureau removed it completely. The medical bill, the hospital confirmed she paid it but forgot to update the credit bureaus. Removed. The phone account belonged to someone with a similar name. Removed within 14 days. Within 45 days, all 3 errors were resolved. Her credit score? 704. She reapplied for the mortgage and got the 6.5% rate. That 1 percentage point difference on her $300,000 mortgage means she's saving $186 per month. Over 30 years, that's $66,960 saved, all because she spent 2 hours checking her credit report. Here's your exact action plan. First, go to annualcreditreport.com. That's the only authorized site for free credit reports. Don't fall for lookalikes or sites charging you money. Second, request reports from all 3 bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You're entitled to 1 free report from each per year. Third, review every single line. Check that accounts are yours, balances are correct, payment history is accurate. Look for accounts you don't recognize, wrong amounts, late payments you didn't make. Fourth, dispute errors immediately. Each bureau has an online dispute process. Be specific about what's wrong and why. Upload any documentation you have. Fifth, follow up after 30 days. The bureaus must investigate and respond. Pro tip, stagger your requests. Pull 1 bureau now, another in 4 months, the last in 8 months. This gives you year-round monitoring for free. This one money move could save you thousands in interest, get you approved for things you're currently denied for, and even help you get hired since some employers check credit. That's the credit score check money move. Do this once a year minimum. Subscribe for more money moves that protect your financial future. What's your next money move?